Where the hell are we?
Guards team room? God's waiting room? I didn't really get a tour of the ship, you know.
You said flood before. What did you mean?
Some uniform came on board. He was with Oni. After that, we weren't allowed out of our cells. I think they brought the coveys on board then. We could hear them talking. Could smell them, too. Sorry, Henry. No one told us anything. Not even the guards knew what was going on. We made some slip space jump to here, wherever here is. They started taking people, you know, in coveys. They didn't seem to care if we saw the coveys then. I think they figured we weren't going anywhere, and it didn't matter what we knew. The aircon on this ship, you know how it is. It carries the noise funny. We heard things. No one they took ever came back. None of them.
Nothing good ever comes from Oni.
There was a guard, fat asshole named Murray. He found out about the flood, some new biological weapon. I don't know, something they were studying. Here, with us. Something happened, I don't know, I think the Coveys made a break for it or something. And in all the chaos, I guess the flood got out. Coveys let some of us out too, which might surprise you, but by then we'd all been through the same stuff. We all got the same fate on this ship.
And you've been hiding ever since?
A day, I think. Maybe 2. You lose track of time real fast around here.
I bet.
We gotta get off this ship. Soon, you know?
What's down there?
Yeah, D-cell block. I think the engines are behind. We should find a different way.
What for?
That's where they took all the dead. It'd be like going into an angry beehive.
That one's on me, not you. Let's move.
I heard something.
Talk to me. Give me a flare. Shit. Singh, go for the legs. McCraw, take out the heart. And I got the head.
Where to, Sarge?
Objective hasn't changed, kid.
Henry was the one who sprung me out. There was one of the guards. She's been... she wasn't... but he took her out. Saved me. He's a good guy, really. They learn. They take what you know and learn.
Thanks, Henry. Where the hell are they coming from? Die, you bastard!
Freeze frame. We haven't been able to defeat the Covenant in nearly 3 decades, and yet here we are. We've returned here for the sole purpose of seeking this out. This greater threat.
I don't believe it was in the original brief. The Oni agent heading the research project aboard the Mona Lisa seems to have exceeded his parameters. Significantly. And we still don't know for sure.
Is there any more?
No. But now you understand. We cannot deploy any more Marines, not without explicit confirmation. We cannot risk the Red Horse.
Video play. We do not willingly abandon our own.
Sarge, the door!
I see it.
Sensing a pattern here.
Don't think anyone's gonna use the nav system. Guess we can go home now?
Almost there, McCraw. Let's scan for intel before we move on.
Looks like communications is intact.
Good. Give me radio contact then. I don't care how, and I don't care who. Benty, Burgundy, the Red Horse. Hell, raise the damn Covenant ship. Just get me someone to talk to. Private, get to it.
Yes, sir. We need security clearance to access this comms.
Let's see if they'll throw me in the brig for impersonating an officer. Now get cracking.